With Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. Let's talk about why this is a big problem and how it's a super easy fix, usually. So, always a great idea if you see one of these suckers in the early mixed dentition, and these really only work when you catch them at this stage. Like, there can't be like permanent teeth coming in yet, or if there is, there can only be like one, and it can only be like 20-30% erupted. Once you get permanent teeth fully in, this trick doesn't work. So you got to catch it early. And then what often happens is that you got to take a ceph, okay? And you got to see, is the issue that the front teeth are just retroclined and trapped? And that's what happens sometimes, is sometimes the front teeth just get trapped behind the lower teeth, and it can prevent the upper jaw from growing. The key is you got to catch it before it prevents the upper jaw from growing too much. Once the upper jaw has not grown, you got to get numbers on your ceph, then you're going to have to do an expansion and a face mask, which you probably need expansion here anyways, because most likely it's underdeveloped because it's stuck back there. So, but if you time it right, you can also fix it with a popsicle stick or just some bite bumps in a popsicle stick. So yes, you can fix it for free. Nope, I'm not doing the demo because I'm against DIY ortho. I just want doctors to understand, like, if it's your own kid, it's like the doctor's kid, sure, I'll do it on my own kid or my nephew or my niece, because I'm not going to get sued by telling a patient to do it with popsicle stick and composite. So, but yeah, I mean, we learned how to do this in residency. You could totally fix this without spending a cent. I did find 2 videos about the popsicle stick trick, which I refuse to make, but you can find them. So you're going to have to put in popsicle stick, anterior crossbite, popsicle stick, orthodontics. You'll find it. You'll find it. There's 2 decent videos. One was really good that I found online. I'm not going to post the links. You got to go find them. But they were on YouTube. And there was an orthodontist who posted a video on how to do this with a popsicle stick. I recommend also doing bite bumps, because as long as this is wedged in there, we have to fully free all these teeth. And I do have some content on how to use bite bumps in early phase 1 cases in my YouTube channel. They are also covered in my phase 1 course. If you can't find them, I will show you that. You can shoot me an email, info@straightsmilesolutions.com, or go to straightsmilesolutions.com, send me a website message, and I'll send you that video if you can't find it yourself. All right, thanks so much.